Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Vanguard Van 81 error in League of Legends. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of 3 steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard, just right click on it and select uninstall. Select yes, select yes. Press in keyboard F5 to refresh this page. Now we have uninstalled Riot Vanguard guys. Just close stuff here and open up Riot client. Select the League of Legends. Select the update option to install the Vanguard. At the end of this video, you just need to restart your PC guys. Don't restart your PC now. Just close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find VGC service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and service status start the service. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now we just need to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration. Click on open it. Select services tab and checkmark hide all Microsoft services. In here you just need to checkmark the VGC service and select apply and OK for save changes. And now select exit without restart. Now right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Go to startup apps. In here you just need to find the Riot client. Just right click on it and enable it. And you just need to find VG tray. Just right click on it and enable it. In our case VG tray or Riot Vanguard. Just need to enable both these guys. After that, just close stuff here and go ahead and restart the PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the League of Legends without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.